A.
Apple.
A apple. You're so smart.
Apple. 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 And B. Apple.
One more A on this row. Good girl. Yalla. Next. Yalla. Can you do it by yourself?
A.
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 Go ahead, Lee.
A.
Good. All right. You try.
A. Apple.
Good girl. Yalla. Let's finish the A.
Apple.
All right,
A
now-
apple.
Yeah. 3 more.
A apple.
Okay. Now we do lowercase, right?
Yeah.
Lower
Dala
circle. Circle. Hmm.
The asal.
Circle. All right. Can you do it, Leah? Try, Leah. Leah, go. Go. Do it.
A. No.
Leah, you have to trace. Trace. Look like that. Trace. Come on. No, silly goose.
Circle.
Circle. Circle, then line. Circle,
Circle.
line. Circle, line. Circle, line. Circle, line. Circle, line. Circle, line. Circle, line. Yay! Circle, line. Circle, line. Circle, line. Circle, line. Do you want to try? Go ahead, try. Can you make a circle for mommy?
Circle die. Circle die.
Good girl.
Want this summer?
You want a different color? She's gonna color herself. Circle,
Circle.
line. Circle, line. Now you have to color. Color the alligator. Color.
Alligator.
Yeah, color, color, color.
Color.
Color, 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 color.
Alligator.
Color, Leah.
Alligator.
Alright, do you want to color the apple? Color.
No, A.
That's A, you're right. Good. Color. Color like this, Leah.
No.
Look, let me
You
show
were
you.
right, right, yeah.
Red apple.
It,
Yeah. Leah, you do the acorn. Yay! Good girl. Do the ant. Good girl. Do the anchor. Alligator. Color the alligator.
Yay!
Yay! Yeah, good girl.
Bravo, Leah.
Now we get to write. What is this? What's this?
A.
No, that's not A. What is this?
B.
No. Are you gonna guess? That's A. L
L.
E
E.
A
A.
H.
H.
Leah.
Leah.
Leah. Yalla. Hold the pencil. Alright, mommy has to help you with this one. L
L.
E
E.
Leah.
A
A.
H.
H.
One more.
Yay!
L
L.
E
E.
A
A.
H.
Yay!
Leah, color the pencil yellow. Color the pencil. Where's the pencil?
Pencil.
Where's the pencil on the paper?
Pencil.
Where's the apple here? Where's the apple?
Boy.
Good. Color the apple. girl. Do you want mommy to finish it? Alright, can you color this pencil? Here, I'll give you green. Here you go. Color. Color the pencil.
No.
What?
Good.
Finish, more.
More, Leah. Yay!
Alright, now we have to do the bees.
One piece.
B for what?
Piece this.
Yeah, that's a B. B for bear.
Bear.
Remember, you had a birthday party for the bear last week. Yellow. B.
A.
B.
B.
It's good. No, it's good.
B.
No, Leah.
No.
This is
Alright, can you do please this one? Come on, we have to finish.